Alright, you turds, so we're going to do some maintenance today. Got here these fuel return lines. I got them off of eBay, but they're genuine Mercedes. Probably the nicest thing I'm ever going to put on this car. So this goes for the OM617 and the OM616. You can see these guys have been leaking pretty bad for a while. I actually got you can't really see it. I got diesel stains in the driveway. And we're also going to put on both fuel filters. I'm not going to play with the one in the tank because I don't think it needs it. But yeah, we're going to see how this goes and see what happens. Now, in this kit, there's a short line right here, and it's a little plug. Make sure you don't lose that plug. I mean, you can always reuse the old one, but that one right there goes right on the end. You see that one line just gets plugged, and I'm gonna get these popped in now. It's really straightforward. They just pull out of the injector, and new ones just push right in, and even to the fuel filter housing, it's just straight in there. You go, Poppers. He's my shop helper today. Oh my God! It's stuck on there. Oh boy. This ain't good, folks. This is not good at all. Ah, yeah. Here we go. There's one down. Well, I'm gonna get this little guy put on here now. Oh, of course they're cold, so they're nice and stiff right now. Oh, she's thinking about it. Oh, we got partial penetration. All right, just a little bit more. Yep, that's good. Okay. Now we're gonna put this guy on the fuel injector. There, in there. Get in your hole. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Man, this really puts some color to the engine bay. Oh, okay, so unbeknownst to me, these things like to get stuck. Like really stuck, like I'm rocking a car. Oh, there's one. I just hope I don't break one. That'd suck. Having to try and dig it out of here. And we'll note all these are the same size, minus your little midget one, and then your return. So you can't mix them up. I got that one off. I twisted them, pulled at the same time. I could just like butter, just doing it like that. These new fuel lines really bring out how dirty my engine is. Like, gosh damn it. You gotta love the simplicity of this thing. No injector line clips. No nothing. You don't even need any wrenches to do this. You just yank them off and yeet them back on there again. Can't freaking beat it. Oh yeah. Uno más. Now for this little guy right in here, it's gonna be a little tricky, I think. We'll see. Got the old vice grips out for this. Oh, tighten them up a little bit. Whoop. And you guys might have noticed this is one of my somewhat more serious videos. I don't want people thinking, you know, I just treat all my stuff like crap and, you know, that I'm more of an idiot than I really am. You know, I know a thing or two. I mean, I'm actually gonna put my air cleaner back on, and I think that says something. I'm just waiting until this weekend when the parts store gets my filter in, and yeah, then she'll be breathing some clean air. And I think that does it for the injector lines, guys. Now I'm gonna change those 15-year-old filters out. See what fun stuff comes out of them. So on these, you just loosen that bolt up there, and you only gotta go like a half a turn, and then this guy will just spin right out. Let's see what this looks like in here. Blech. Well, I'll say, yeah, there's definitely quite a bit of dirt on there. Holy cow. I'm definitely not going to fill the new filter with this one. Got the new filter on, just giving her a little tighten down here. Got oh, make sure you guys use your metric crescent wrenches, or adjustable wrenches if that's what you call them. But make sure they're metric, because everything on these German cars is in fact metric. I don't think I found anything that a standard crescent wrench will work on. And yeah, you don't want to be stripping something like this out. That could be really bad. You guys might want to use a drain pan, you know, if you care about the environment and all that good stuff. Because you are going to spill a little bit of fuel, but you know. Got that on. I'm going to get this guy out now. I can see light through it, so I don't think it's too plugged up. But while we're in here, I already got the new one, so we're just going to go ahead and put that in there. Alright guys, you know what, never mind, I'm not changing this one, because I'm not no rich guy. I ain't got money to just throw at this thing, parts it don't need. I can see right through it with the light. I can see the screen's clean, so I'm not going to worry about this one. But anyways, if you were to change this, just undo the 2 hose clamps, and pull that out. You want to be kind of quick with it, because it'll be spilling a lot of diesel out, and making a mess everywhere. And so you pop the new one in, tighten your hose clamps down. I would highly recommend filling this guy up with diesel whenever you put it on there, because that's going to be a lot less air you got to bleed out. I filled it up. There's probably a little bit of air pockets in there, but you're going to want to unscrew your primer pump down here. I mean, yeah, your primer pump. A million threads on this guy. And you're just going to pump it real good. And you hear it? Hear that squeaking sound? More like a hiss than anything. But you're going to want to go till it gets hard and you hear that, and tighten that back down real good. And get in here. You're going to want to cycle the glow plugs, obviously. I got a push button down here for mine. And here, go about 10 seconds, and give it some throttle, and away we go. Not too crazy, just give it fuel until you hear it smooth out. There we go. Let's make sure we ain't got no fuel spraying anywhere. Looks fantastic. Oh, I put a little side exhaust exit over here. The exhaust is rusted out right below the rust hole on the passenger floorboard. The car was trying to give me carbon monoxide poisoning, so this is my exhaust for now. It's just temporary, but it gets the job done all right. Yeah, that's my little video on changing fuel filters and injection return lines on a Mercedes OM617 and OM616.